Welcome academic advisors and honor students at the University of Laverne. In this video, we will guide you through the process of accessing and bringing up the honor certificate in MyDegree Tracker. Whether you're an advisor helping students to navigate their degree requirements for the honors program, or you are an honors student looking to track your own progress, this step-by-step tutorial will help you to bring up the degree certificate very easily in MyDegree Tracker. Let's get started. Once you've logged into the portal, under Quick Links, select MyDegree Tracker. Once you land on the MyDegree Tracker, click on the What If option. Under Degree, select Certificate. Under Program, select Honor Certificate, and then click on Process. Whether you're an advisor or a student, be mindful of the catalog year that you are following. That will reflect the requirements, the semester hours applied that include earned and in-progress coursework, and the total number of semester hours that are needed for the honors program for this particular catalog year. All university requirements for the honors requirement apply, and all the subject areas for the core requirements also apply, whether it's one class or several classes for elective credit. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.